Hello, let me show you all gestures that you can use on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. So, as you can see, I just show you two of them, but of course, let's go into the settings where we can find everything. So over here, we've got settings and we have to go for buttons and gestures. And what we get here, the double pinch, so this is this one. We get also shake gesture, like this one, and knock knock. And of course, you can customize them. So for the knock knock, you can open some recent apps, open stopwatch, turn on water lock, or for example, open applications. But there's also something called like universal gestures. Once you actually turn them on, you will turn off the normal gestures, and you can find them just over here. So we get the classic pinch, double pinch, make fist twice, back and forth, and you can find here a lot of things you can customize, also a lot of options. You can link them over here and use like you want.